Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The local stock market experienced a 1.2% decline today after the world was put on alert of slowed economic growth. The JC index declined by 4,104 points, while the junior market index lost 84 points. 63 stocks declined at the end of today's session, while 20 stocks advanced. Among the decliners were Everything Fresh, Epley, Access Financial Services, Stationery and Office Supplies, and Cargo Handlers. The advancers were led by Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Caribbean Cement, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, SCC, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, and Mayberry Investments. Microcredit lender Dollar Financial has shared its basis of allotment for investors who supported its recent IPO. Investors in the general public pool will get up to 10,000 of their requested shares. Only 2.5% of shares applied for above the first 10,000 shares will be approved. Now, the applications from the various reserve pools will receive all of their requested shares. The Dollar IPO, which sold at $1 per share, was massively oversubscribed, receiving 5 billion applications. This was the highest raised in the junior market's history. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ says it's boosting safeguards in a bid to reduce cybercrimes at the island's banks. The BOJ has incorporated more robust reviews of banks and other licensees under the Banking Services Act, using data analytics to assist in identifying gaps in systems. The central bank says deposit-taking institutions need to institute more effective system controls to protect and mitigate against the risk of cyber attacks and other fraudulent activities. Now, the central bank is also urging customers using banking services to exercise caution, as they could be manipulated into releasing their personal data. The U.S. currency is trading for an average $154.50, $123.04 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, and $194.60 for the pound. It's costing an average $165.94 for the euro. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.